Google is about to reveal everything about its new Pixel lineup soon, and that's why the intensity of their leaks is not slowing down. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. Google Pixel fans are expecting to hear news about the new generation of Google's Pixel smartphone lineup when the company hosts its next showcase event in August. But in the meantime, if your vibe is something that pops, a possible leak has gotten us colorfully inclined buyers pretty excited. Sources have found 3 listings on Amazon that might show some new looks coming to the Pixel 11. These potential placeholders might be hinting that one smartphone will come in a bold magenta and another in a rosy peach hue. The publication noted that there are some convincing details in the listing specs. The colors have one set of names in the titles and a different set in the description, and the second trio aligns with the previous leak, suggesting a fuchsia model was on the way. If you got excited and gonna go check it out by yourself, don't waste your energy, as none of the Amazon listings in that article are live anymore. It's entirely possible that those not from official Google sources, but those who love phones beyond the traditional black and white would really like it if they turn out to be real. After all, paying for new gadgets is going to be a grim and painfully expensive experience. Can't we at least have the hardware which is vibrant and joyful? For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.